What are important terms to know in insurance? When you're trying to buy insurance, there are a few big words you need to know so you feel confident in your decision to get insurance. And so you can roll with the big boys in your lingo. Let's start with a few of them. Policy. An insurance policy is essentially an agreement between you and your insurance company. It tells you what's covered, what's not covered, and the other details of your agreement. As with most legal agreements, insurance policies can be hard to read and very long. If you take a look at your policy, you'll see that it's full of confusing exceptions and legal jargons designed to confuse you. This can make it pretty hard to understand what's covered under your insurance policy. Make sure that as you read the insurance policy, you ask questions if there's anything you don't understand. Premium. An insurance premium is a fancy term for the cost of your policy. Usually, insurance companies give you like a price, an annual fee, such as 50,000 naira a year. But some new insurance companies now allow you pay weekly or monthly, like we do here. Claim. So this is the big one, right? A claim is a request to an insurance company asking for a payment or benefits based on the term of your policy. If you're in an accident, for example, and you're insured, you would make a claim to the insurance company requesting that you are paid the cost of the vehicle repairs. The insurance company will then review the request and approve it if it's based on what you agreed on. You should always ask for more information if it is denied. Waiting period. A waiting period is a term found in some insurance policies. It's the amount of time your insurer requires you to wait until you're eligible for claim payments or benefits. Waiting periods vary from 24 hours to about 6 months. This is why you should get insurance long before you might actually need it. Why is having a waiting period important? Waiting periods are designed to protect the insurance company or the insurance community from someone who buys a policy just to go to get a claim immediately and then drop out. So let's say Peter and Paul are playing football, right? And they crash into each other, get injured, they're bleeding. Peter has an insurance and decides to get treatment for free. If Paul rushes to buy a policy on his way to the hospital, his treatment and his medication will not be covered because there's a waiting period that's required for accidents, which means he will have to pay out of pocket for his treatment. Now, Peter spent 5,000 naira for accident insurance in a year, and he won't need to spend a single dime for his treatment. While Paul, who only got it on the way to the hospital, will spend money on insurance and 25,000 naira to get treatment for his injury because there's a waiting period.